Hi guys, what's up? I just got to the garage. I know that the mechanic got the engine working yesterday. And today I should get the engine out. I don't know how to do it. I definitely need help. So we'll see how much I can show you, how much I can do by myself. I have no idea. And yeah, let's get to work. First I took the wheels off because this was easy. Next I tried to take the radiator off, some screws on bolts here and there, and then the battle between me and the coolant hose clamp started. I didn't want to go for help. This was between me and hose.
One hour later.
Got the radiator out of the way, but I didn't know what to do next, so I did some sanding work. We had to remove the front axle and saw through the exhaust because the exhaust manifold bolts were too tight, so I had to take the axle ball joint thingy off, and that's pretty much all I could do here. Some AC and coolant hoses, some wires, and we were good to go. And this, guys, was my first engine removal. Yay! Then it was time to empty the engine bay. Again, needed some help, but pretty straightforward. We decided to wash the engine bay and bottom of the car to get most of the dirt off, so we needed to put the axle back. Here is when I figured out how to connect the steering rack. I needed the touch of a hammer to get the bolt holes in place. I like when I get to figure out even the easiest things in my head. I'm thinking like, yes, you did it. It may take much time at first, but then bit by bit you'll start to think with more awareness and how other things may work. This is where it gets funny. I was so proud that I got the suspension back on all by myself. Then guys tried to roll it outside and found out that I didn't attach the steering knuckle back on. They had to drag the car. I'm sorry. Anyway, I got another chance because we're gonna put the car on its side, so it needs its wheels stuck on the car. I started with the right side and it was so quick, and then I turned the camera on for the other side, and guess what? It was rusty and hard. So here I'm removing two bolts attached to the suspension, and I had to attach the steering knuckle back on the car. It's supposed to go in between there and 3 bolts hold it together. I think this was the first moment when the first swear word came out of. The job itself was actually quite easy on this car. So that's about it for this video. Thanks guys for your time, I hope you enjoyed, and smash the like and subscribe if you want to see how this Golf is getting back to black and sleek. Bye!